Brittany. So today I have a video DIY gift ideas. So I want to show you the shirts and then we'll get into the video how I made them. So this one here is like a band tee. I just put her name on it and I used a lightning bolt as an S for her name. And I did all the kids this one. And I'm going to show you guys how I made them. These are just all the shirts. This one I made the S as his name, a part of his name. So his name's Mason, so I made that lightning bolt. And Mason. This one the same, but I did this one's more like the AC/DC style with the little lightning bolt in the middle. And then this next shirt is a Black Girl Empowering shirt. Shout out to all my black queens out there. So this one is for black princesses as well. So this one is Powerpuff Girls, but I found this image on Google. Yeah, so I just took the image and pick collage. I'll show you detailed in the video how I use pick collage to make these designs. The last one's like pretty much the easiest DIY that I made. I did all the camel colors, so pink, purple, green, blue, red. So and then it just says cool kid in that old English type font. So there's that, a green one. So, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. I do have more content coming soon this upcoming year. Without further ado, let's get into the video so you guys can see how I made these. Hey, so guys, I'm opening up pick collage right now. Opening up my 3 sections and picking my 3 images to lay out so that I can put the words on each of the designs. Well, the last design is just a t-shirt that I just expanded out so that the background can look like it's been bleached as well. So now I'm just bleaching the shirts so they can be distressed. To the shirt. That heat transfer comes with this sheet so that you don't damage the design. And now you're done. So that is the end result of each design. I really love the bleach shirt. That's probably my favorite, but yeah, thank you for watching.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin.